children's programmer here at the Palmerston Library. But in my free time, did you know I'm an Inspiration Lab technician? Here at Inspiration Lab, we build robots. And we add in just a little bit of magic. Today in Inspiration Lab, we are going to be making a ghost glove. Any guesses as to what that might be? A ghost? A glove? Any idea how those two themes are going to come together? This science experiment works by creating a chemical reaction to inflate a glove. Some of the core concepts in this video are chemical reactions, acids, and bases. Today you will need vinegar, white or apple cider, baking soda, a cup, preferably plastic, and a plastic glove, and a tablespoon and a teaspoon. Measure out 3 tablespoons of vinegar and pour them into your cup. If you are using apple cider vinegar, use 4 tablespoons. Scoop out 2 teaspoons of baking soda into your glove. Shake down so this baking soda lands in the fingers. Stretch your glove onto the cup. If your glove doesn't have an elastic on the wrist, use another elastic or a hair tie to secure it onto the cup. It's very important to have a tight seal. Making sure you have a tight seal, you can then lift your fingers of the glove to pour the baking soda into the cup. Once the baking soda meets the vinegar, our chemical reaction will start, which will inflate the glove. What's happening here is that when sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, combines with acidic acid, which is vinegar, they form carbonic acid, which on our reaction divides into carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide bubbles up, which inflates the glove. If you enjoyed this activity, check out our other experiments and head to our website at wellington.ca/library for even more resources.